The Creative Centre is a place where people with disabilities can get together, socialise and have as much independence as possible. It lies behind the Public Health Building in Tupapa. Every weekday morning, some of the members are collected in minibuses and taken to the centre, although others make their own way travelling by Cook's buses, free of charge. There are various activities during the day, with those who are able making items for sale, while others might colour in pictures or do puzzles. Crafts include making bead jewellery such as necklaces, earrings and bracelets. It needs good eyesight and patience. A favourite activity right now is pareo and t-shirt making. These items are tagged with the maker's name, and when sold, a portion of the price goes to the person who wielded the roller. One of the members is a wizard with a weed eater and keeps the garden tidy. The produce from the centre's garden is used in the kitchen, where lunch is cooked every day. The atmosphere at the centre is absolutely positive. It's a happy place.